I tagged everybody because y'all celebrating Martin Luther King's birthday. Well, I applied for Martin Luther King's job. Y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism 3 times in 2 different states. I'm still standing. I fired my lawyer and defended myself. I'm a precedent-setting case. Y'all doing marches and rallies, but you need to put in the work. We got too many self-serving demigods in 2022, and that shit gonna change. Shit gonna change. It's called public accommodations. So let me publicly do this. Social media for social change. You feel me? That's how this works. Social media for social change. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. We started with MySpace. That's when I got in your face. AOL, Google, and Gmail. Google Maps. Because everything I did, it's on the internet. It's on the web. It's in the ether, like Nas said. You feel me? So we're going to do like this. Public accommodations mean that I got a right to access the courts. That means that you can't be putting me out and you can't block me. Right there. Discrimination, public accommodations. All right, federal and state laws prohibit discrimination of certain protected groups and businesses and places. All right. Government-owned facilities, services, and buildings. All right, you got that? The law prohibits it. That's the Maryland Black Caucus. That's 2009. Dee Shortman at AOL. That's Ed Norris. That's the Black Caucus. That's that's Bridges. All right, that's Thelma Branch. Who's going to protect my rights? All right, that's Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner. Judge Bridges. I was going to the Supreme Court with this public accommodations, the right to protest. 1986, I turned in guns and drugs to the police to end the war on drugs. That's Senator Bill Ferguson and Clippinger. Y'all got this. Block party gets bigger and better. See the date? August 2009. See the date? March 2009. Block party gets bigger and better. Davis, who owns a barbecue business. All right? Look around, Davis said. We dying out here. We dying behind this war on drugs and ain't nobody saying shit about it. Y'all talking about stop the violence. That's Edwards. That's Lieutenant Governor. That's their phone numbers because I record phone calls. Shorty, the video vigilante. I'm the cook in the hood. You feel me? What I do is very well known. Like I said, I'm writing a book and a movie about y'all. Y'all's politics. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's the Maryland House of Delegates in 2014. All right. Thank you for visiting the Maryland Judiciary Committee. You feel me? You got that? That's Johnny Oleski in the Department of Justice. Okay? I am writing you in reference to Dwayne Shorty Davis. I have met with Mr. Davis on several times in the past year and expressed concerns about the number of issues that fall under your preview. That's Baltimore City, Baltimore County, Baltimore City Delegation, Commissioner Harrison, and State Attorney Mosby. You feel me? We already know that he racist, but when you got black people eating up black people, they call that the haves versus the have-nots. You feel me? We already know he racist. So just like Johnny Oleski asked in 2019, I've been doing this a long time. This ain't my first day on the playground. Welcome to the big show. That's Mark Clark in the Big Fat Morning Show, 92Q. And that's Shorty's self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. I'm a black man standing up for my black community, and I ain't gonna accept nothing less. That's Shorty's. Shorty Davis, Baltimore activist. You feel me? And that's Amnesty International. And that's in 2014. That's Shorty. Right here. Maryland Department of Corrections. That's evidence. We show you that we traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine, and you making our kids the cash crop. Ain't no law against making a movie. You made Superfly. You made the Mac. You make a lot of money off of promoting the war on drugs, but not ending the war on drugs. But you don't want to address Shorty. Dear Senator, dear Congressman, this is a follow-up letter. You feel me? And this is Exhibit 4. Thank you for your recent correspondence to my office. All right? In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. That's Senator Cardin's. That's in 2007. That's clack clack. This 2022. That's Parliament Funkadelics. Make my funk the P-Funk. The people I speak to for are on the DVDs. You feel me? I was making a movie. That's the School of Law. And I'm going to school you about the law. That's Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, and Judge Souter. You feel me? Because we're going to break down your courts and your criminal enterprise. All videos and legal materials submitted to all 3 judges concerning Dwayne G. Davis. Transcripts submitted to the Department of Justice for a full investigation concerning the corruption in the States Attorney's Office and the grand jury minutes concerning my case. And that's my Department of Justice number. See the date? 2014. I'm with Out for Justice, dog. I'm a founding member. I'm one of the founders there. I've been there for a while. And my shit is about voter suppression. Dwayne G. Davis. You feel me? Get out the vote. I'm an ex-felon. I can run for office. You feel me? I can run for office and I do what I do. So clack, clack. Are you for or against racism in the judicial system? Are you for due process and equal protection under the law? All citizens, regardless of the colors of their skin or the economic situation, these are simple questions. Can you answer them? That's Dick Gregory and Shorty. That's October 2014, 2015. You feel me? ddshortman@gmail.com. And that's my number. Ain't nothing changed. You feel me? Ain't nothing changed. False imprisonment, police brutality, judicial fraud, prisoner's right advocate, follow up to a federal investigation about the abuses of power by elected officials. President Obama asked for an investigation in 2008. That's Harry Spikes. You feel me? My paperwork in order. So take this as a learning moment. Martin Luther King gave me education. I put that education to work. Public accommodations. We're going to put that to work. 2022, I want access to the grand jury. 2022, I want my property. 2022, it ain't fuck me, it's fuck you.